So assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you? Hope you're fine. In this video I am going to telling you that how to make poster of your party, of your organization, of your business, anything, etc. So first of all, like our video and subscribe our channel. So first of all, open Canva. It's Canva tutorial number 4 5. So first of all, after going to Canva, search for poster. After search, click on search. Here many type of poster appear, some free, some of paid. So here select your poster. Here I'm just giving you example. So so I like this type of, it's not I'm not padding this, but I'm just telling you. Here you're telling that you're going peoples to holidays at sea and anywhere. So first of all, here which is Canva watermark, delete this photo. Here delete image and click add button. Go to elements. Here scroll down, wait for a while, and here go to photos. Select the photos you like. I like this. Click on it and add try this. I like, okay, I like this photo. Click on it and here. So here let's start holiday. Come on holidays with us, cheap and quality packages. Okay, price which you like. So okay, here book now. Here you type your number. Here you type your website. Okay, and here let's start holidays. Here you can add more information that my name is Arham. So Arham is going to holidays with you for 1 week, etc. Okay, here you type another image. Here you add another image. Okay, if you want to change its color, try on color. Here white, black. Okay, cyan. Okay, this. I think blue is best. Okay, here you have to first of all pay that or download. If you don't want to download, it's very simple. Pakistani jugaad sold बल्कि leave it. Okay, click on download button and first of all it is downloading. Okay, okay, it is downloading. It's process ready and you just print it. Okay, it is saved to my gallery. Scroll down, open gallery. Where is, okay, others Canva. Here it has been downloaded. So thanks for watching. In this video our aim is just to hit 50 likes. Okay, so like our video, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.